The last time that the Cincinnati Bengals had made it to the Super Bowl was in 1989. They played in Super Bowl 23 against the San Francisco 49ers. At the end of the game, they lost by 4 points, with a final score of 20-16. 2 years later, in 1991, they played their last playoff game. Throughout a 31-period drought of not being able to go to the playoffs, they were a very hit-or-miss team depending on the season. When the two most recent years, in 2019 and 2020, were their miss years. In 2019, they ended the season with a 2-14 record, and in 2020, they ended with a 4-11 record. In 2020, the Cincinnati Bengals in the NFL draft picked up a new quarterback with the name Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow is their starter quarterback for their 2021 season. He has led the team along with Rookie of the Year wide receiver Ja'Marr Chase and veteran running back Joe Mixon and the rest of the Cincinnati team to the Super Bowl after 33 years. In 1 year, they were able to turn the team around and actually have a winning season, which led them to the Super Bowl this year. They were the underdogs because in most recent years, they have not been perceived as a threat to many teams. They saw them as easy wins. After this year, the Cincinnati Bengals will not be looked at as an easy win for a very long time. Since they have very young people on their team, they will be able to show the NFL that they are a team that will be back in the Super Bowl in the next couple of years, maybe even next year. My toast is to the Cincinnati Bengals for an amazing year of being able to turn themselves from a 4-11 team to a team who has a winning record of 10-7. Even though that seems like it's not a good record, after many years of not being able to play in the Super Bowl, even though they were not able to win the Super Bowl this year, Joe Burrow has led the Cincinnati Bengals to a win.